Hello everyone, welcome back to Flat Media. Today I will show you how to create thumbnail using iFeature in Filmora 13. This feature can save you a lot of time. Before we start the video, go in my description, and get a subscription on Elements Envato for the best stock footage. Also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Flat Media. Firstly, import your video to the timeline. You can find some scene that you can use for thumbnail. As example, I will choose this scene. Now click on Export. In the left you can see thumbnail and click Edit. After a few seconds you have best scenes from your videos. I think this one is the best photo, and click Edit. You can add text to the photo. For example, I will type peace. You can edit your text as you like. I will add this black background behind text. Also, here is template tab, and here you have some options to use. Just like vlog, food, music, family, promo. Let's try some template from vlog tab. For better effect, I will delete some texts. Also, I will move this text a little bit down. I will delete this piece text, and type it here. Also, there is option to upload new photo. Click on this icon and choose photo from your PC. I have chosen this photo randomly. I will click on remove background and put this astronaut here. For more tutorials, please like this video and subscribe to Flat Media.